like right on in there.
I ran out on the way.
Dude, alright, bud. That was wonderful, man.
Dude, this is not your fight. Oh, wait, no,
Looks like
Was it worth the chicken sandwich?
the most fun, dude. This thing looks like it's the most fun to drive ever.
Yeah, no, it really is.
Literally just like no fucks given. I love it.
You gotta
I love
finish
it.
Yeah.
What's your name, man?
My name's Chris, but it's that dude Justin. He owns the car.
Hey, this is cool. I was driving so
Motor or car? Oh, motor. I'm on the car. I saw you post this thing on the fucking
Yeah, no, we've had it for a little bit.
That's all you
I
can
just did all the suspension and everything to get it driving again. I put some seats because he took all the interior out. Yeah, no, that's the only reason I saved it. Is like, I was looking at it and it came off the record and I was like, oh, this thing might up this like 6 inches up. Yeah. Now the whole thing is leaning like this. Yeah. And it does crazy burnouts because there's no weight on that tire. It'll do a 4th gear burnout, dude. It's crazy, like in a rolling burnout.
It's to exhaust. That's where your power's coming from burnouts.
It's the only time a Miata will ever do a 4th gear burnout.
I'm kidding, it has this thing.
on stock power.
Yeah, stock Miata doing 4th gear burnouts from any light.
Oh my god. Now the question is it a big nose or a short nose?
Dude, I don't even know, to be honest. I haven't touched this motor. It got wrecked, dude, and like it didn't leak any fluids or anything, so I was like, dude, like I just gotta put suspension on
I'm
it.
gonna ask you 2 questions. Can you pump it? Will you pump it?
No, it even latches.
Sometimes it would come up without even asking.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Well, I've had that happen.
Oh yeah, I came up on this once.
Yeah.
Joe, the only
Driving, I had my.
It's not that bad, bro.
It's a short nose, but it's not bad.
We tried pulling the frame out yesterday. It didn't work. It just kind of started ripping the sheet.
No,
metal.
you gotta bolt it further back.
I know. Well, I need to pull it down is the problem, but I don't know how. I need like a loading dock.
No, get a couple 2x4s, roll it up against a ramp, and drive your truck up onto it. Dude, they'll bring it right down.
get a couple big boys to stand on it.
Yeah,
This is incredible.
Yeah, no, I'm really happy we got it.
Your balls are huge.
I didn't drive it here, man.
Okay.
I drove that one. That one works better.
Your balls are slightly less huge.
I was willing to put it together. We've been driving around the neighborhood, but it's registered. It's got a clean title. It's insured. Bro, I'm about to post it for 5K.
Who did you go to get a clean title for that?
It was on liability when it got wrecked, so fucking insurance didn't claim it. I just had to go pick it up from the scrapyard, and I thought they never asked for the title or anything.
Yeah, they didn't ask to like see the car.
Nothing. It's on Haggerty, bro. It's a classic car.
Finally, this is And the cross-eyed guy looking over. Favorite part is his brand new tires on it.
I'm literally, dude, $160 in EVs. With seats and the suspension, like, we could sell this thing for $3,000. That's what I'm saying, bro. We drove here, bro.
It has an AC condenser.
It has AC, bro. And power steering. And it works. It's literally one of the nicest spec Miatas I've ever owned in my life.
We have Miata at home.
I know, we're rolling in and it's like getting twice as much attention as that one. Whatever.
They were still setting up and we had to move cars around and all that.
Is that a turbo on there?
Yeah.
I thought I seen that.
It's a 2871R.
Pretty nice, that, bro.
On my NA. switch. I'm gonna go switch cameras.
Finally fix the car.
Sorry, I didn't want to ruin the video. I know nothing about the car. Yeah. Nice. It's been out?
Yeah, no, it's been down. I just been out.
Yeah, just look Yeah.
Not even try to show everybody. Yeah.
I will go between the fucking kitchen.
out anymore. We do a lot.
Yeah, that makes sense because there were certain things we had to do to that before it went in.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you just can't do it. So, like, it's even hard to time it.
I didn't even know this cop was like that.
They came from Tiffany. They left Tiffany freaking they were assemblers to be managers.
It's alright, bro. I can be in the video. No problem.
I'm good. I'm good.
Sure. Check me out. For sure. You'll be on there. Yes, sir.
You are RC drifting?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, I'll see you around. I'm just getting into it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let me know. I need somebody to ride with.
Yeah, for sure. That's what like Eric and my friend. It's like you start flying like when you're at like 800.
We have
And every time I'm like, oh, look at money, it goes away. So, this is super. With my protege, needed a new engine, and Miata had a full engine reseal, and then I bought a Nissan Pathfinder.
Thank you.
You shouldn't just scream, you should pull in.
No, I think he's screaming because he doesn't have any class. I'm sorry, I feel bad. Especially because I'm going to ask.
Basically from the black NA, the second one in over there, to the black 240 right here. This is all our shop cars. for
What do you
here.
mean, like y'all fix them yourself? You do?
Yeah. So we work right here at Stratton Motor Cars.
Yeah, I didn't even know that
We're
was.
just kind of hosting for the RSR guys coming from out of town.
Yeah, I work down the street.
Oh, really?
American Solar.
Okay.
So I was like, I just told, I said, I didn't even know there was a car place.
Yeah, it's pretty
So
unsuspecting.
y'all fix cars? Is it just like these type of cars or all kind of cars?
No, we actually, I mean, just because we all like Japanese cars, we have a group of JDM cars, but it's mainly European cars. Like, we're really big in the AMG community. The Audi community just kind of happened because, I don't know, they like us. Even though we hate working on Audis, but
we get it done.
Yeah, we get it done. But yeah, all of us.
So y'all
like
do
that,
all
so.
the building.
Yeah, pretty much. He's put this car together over 7 years, 8 years. Yeah, and then him and I have been restoring the two NAs right there, the blue one and the black one. And that's kind of what sparked into this whole thing with being friends with everybody in the Miata community.
What's the name of the shop again?
Stratton Motor Cars.
Stratton Motor Cars.
What broke?
My oil cooler tab is like folded in, and this was sitting more like this. I just pulled it forward.
It's not leaking.
I know they're very fancy.
That's why I checked it and then did a couple laps. I saw some guy on Instagram saying that he's trying to line actually have the video right there.
What was the Instagram?
Harley 14.
Like it's ceramic though, so on the inside you can see. Yeah, and not see through. It's awesome. And then I went back inside and
That's 5 correct.
Like the best one I saw was that one. Oh, the one that sits on top of the trunk like it's full. And then it has like one.
Yeah,
And it has
that's
one
what I
little,
said.
like,
There's no trunk I can put on my car unless I like found a full other red like trunk that I could put on. That way, yeah, I can just swap it out and have
We smell like fruit.
They're getting you too. Mm-hmm. Coming right out. Look at the Red Bull.
Big trucks. And my brother's like 30, he's 30.
runs like a small business too, so that's one of the things he sells. So you can make it say whatever you want.
You can
I can pull out my phone.
That's a cool thing. I've never seen one. That's a cool thing. How's YouTube? Here you go.
Oh, for sure. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, sir.
Thanks for being here, man.
You welcome, sir.
I'm waiting for this whole crew back here.
Oh, for real? Okay, cool. Did you get a card?
Yeah.
I gave you one. Okay, cool.